Today we're going to show you how we make our lip balm. Lip balms, sanitizers, and sunscreens are the primary products this factory makes for us. The process of making these products is a lot like making food, and if you've ever been to a food processing plant, you'll know what I mean. They have to create a sterile environment, so we have to wear hairnets, shoe covers, face masks, and a lab coat. Yep, that's me, all geared up for the factory tour. We go through a small chamber that blows off loose dirt, hair, and anything else that may come off during our tour of the facility. This is one of the cleanest factories I've seen in my visits to China. I visited a few that I would not buy from as they just weren't clean enough. Alright, we're going to start in the lab. This is where formulas are tested, measured, and QC'd. The factory will test each batch to make sure that the smell, flavor, and ingredients are consistent, as these items are all subject to FDA requirements. Here we are in the mixing room, where the raw ingredients for the lip balm are carefully mixed and blended. Inside these big stainless steel pots, the mixture is heated up and pressure cooked. Once the mixture is done, it is put into food-grade containers, cooled down, and moved on to the production floor. The white lip balm mixture is shoveled into the forming machines. I love this part because it looks like gelato or some sort of ice cream. Here, the mixture is heated up into a liquid form and poured into these stainless steel trays that form the shape of the lip balm. This is a new machine that the factory recently bought to automate this process. Once filled, they are sent down the track and into the freezer, which will cool them down quickly. Then, on the other side, the workers put the cold lip balm into its case. Then, down the belt some more, they are closed up and sealed. After that, they head out to the warehouse where they boxed and ready for shipment. Here's another machine that pretty much does the same thing but for lipstick-style lip balms. Workers have to take the filled trays and manually put them on the track that goes into the freezer. After cooling, a worker is putting empty lip balm cases into a tray. The table shifts counterclockwise to the right 2 times, and the cold lip balms are automatically pushed into the lip balm cases partway. They move again counterclockwise and are flipped up and over and put onto a track and into a black box, where a device that they wouldn't show me pushed them into cases. Maybe some sort of trade secret, I don't know. After the black box, the lip balms are mostly complete, and all they have to do is attach the cap. Just a note, every product here must have an expiration date. So prior to putting the lip balm into the cases are laser engraved with the expiration date. The factory worker moves fast because part of their pay is based on the number of pieces produced. If only my staff would go that fast. That's how lip balm is made and how we make cool stuff.